Did you know you can edit your photos without installing any extra apps on your Samsung phone? In this video, I will show you how to edit photos directly using Samsung built-in gallery tools, fast, easy, and completely free. Using the powerful editing features inside Samsung One UI, you can enhance your picture in just few taps. So to know how to do this, just follow me. The first thing you have to do is to go to Gallery. Then you can choose any picture or photo you want. For example, let's choose this photo here. The colors looks faded, so I want to edit this photo. You will find this pen here, so you will tap on this sign. Then here in this sign you will find if you want to crop your picture like this or this, like here. Then you will find filters if you want to choose filters without editing. Filters directly here. As you see, this filter is seems good, so you can choose any filter you want. If you don't want to choose any filter on this window, you can click on this sign here, as you see. Then you will find this editing here. You can edit your photo in any way you want. Like for example, you can choose the contrast, the highlights. You can find the shadow if you want to increase it or decrease it, saturation to here, tint if you want to tint your picture or not, here temperature, and all of things here. You can also choose the auto editing if you want, like this. But let's try the filter that I saw before here. It seems more good. And then you can click on save your picture to save it. Also, if you want to blur any picture and to add emojis to hide faces, for example, for this picture here, you will click on the same sign of pen. Then we click on this sign of emoji or sticker with pen here, and then we'll find this pen of blur, and you can choose which kind of blur you want for this picture, and you can hide the face here, as you see, in that way. And also you can add stickers if you want to hide the face by stickers, or just add stickers for the picture here, like this. Can add them here. And also you can add text if you want to tap any text here, like this, and you can choose the style of these text here. You can also choose the color and everything. You will find it in this feature here without using any app, just from your Samsung phone. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.